Hi and welcome to the tutorial where we will show you how you can import a DOTEspace into your DOTEbase. So to get things started, we have created a Lego demo DOTEspace for you, and you can find that project on our webshop at doteau.dk. And if you go to the free downloads location, then you will see that if you scroll down a bit, then you will see the file that you want to download. So after you have downloaded the file, it's approximately 1.7 gigabytes. It will take a few seconds or minutes. Then you will be able to import that into DOTEbase. So this is really a project that we have created, so you have the best possible way into working with DOTEbase. So let's see how the import is done. This is also how you import projects if you have colleagues or students working with DOTEbase. This is also how you do that. So on the file, you will see we have the opportunity to import. So we will click that. A new window will open, and then we have to locate the file and set up a few things. So first of all, we will find the file that we have just downloaded. And something that is really important is that the extension of the file is DOTEspace. So after the full stop here, you see that we have the extension DOTEspace. So this is indicating that it's a project that you can import, or a file that you can import into to DOTEbase. Sorry. We will hit open, then we will find the file location. I've already set that up, so it's just the same as with the normal procedure for doing that. And then we will have the option to name the DOTEspace. So here we will just call it the Lego demo project. We could call it 1 or whatever. So this is basically just indicating what the project should be called. In the bottom here, you also have the opportunity to toggle on off if you want to include a subset of data, if you want to include the collections data, the clip presets, and the canvas data, then that is also a possibility to toggle that off. For this, we will of course include everything to get the best feeling of what is possible to do in DOTEbase right now. So we will click import, and then it will take a few seconds for the files to be imported into DOTEbase. That's it. So basically over here you see that we now have a new structure. We have a DOTEspace called the Lego demo project, and you can see the file location of that. And if we expand that, you see that we have, I will just minimize some of these. We have 3 different projects, indicating with the P here. We have 3 different projects. I could, for a start, just click on the I here to open the individual project. And here you see we have a lot of information from the different windows. We have our media player that is opening the media file. We have our media clips organizer over here, where you can see all the different media clips that we have already added to the project. And down here you see the transcript window, where you can see that we have already added a lot of different clips to that, shown by these tags and annotations on top of the transcript. So basically here you see all of the different information and the way that we have set up this Lego demo DOTEspace. So if we click over here, then you can expand on the information. You can see that we have 9 media clips included here. The media clips are what we have over here. So if I click on one of these and use then the I, then I will go directly to that part of the data. I could click here to go to another part of the data, and you can see it is updating immediately. If I collapse that, we will see that we can also look at all the different things that we have added, the clips that we have added to the transcript. We have the full countdown with prep, so we can look at that. And then the transcript will be updated, and you also saw that the annotation here is updating. I can do that for another one. So as you see here over here, you can navigate in the DOTEspace in order to see different things. We have a Jeffersonian transcript, we have a Mondadian transcript you can work with, and that is the same for all of these 3 projects. So different media clips, different transcripts, clips for the DOTE spaces. So this is really a demo project that we have set up, so you can get the best possible start with DOTEbase. You can see all the different things that you can do with DOTEbase, and we have created this project just for you to get started. So we really hope that you will get the most out of using this little demo DOTEbase in order to get started with DOTEbase. Thanks for watching, and please look at all the other videos that we have at our YouTube channel in order to get the best out of DOTEbase and DOTE. Stay tuned.